First, you'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months remaining validity. Ensure your passport has blank visa pages for entry stamps. Next, determine if you need a U.S. visa or can use the ESTA program. Tourist visas include B1 for business and B2 for leisure travel. Gather supporting documents, flight reservations, hotel bookings, and travel insurance. Bank statements and proof of funds may be required for visa interviews. Include invitation letters or detailed itineraries if applicable. Begin by completing the DS-160 online application form. Upload a compliant passport photo and review all information carefully. Pay the required visa application fee online using a credit card. Schedule your visa interview appointment at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. Attend your scheduled interview with all required documents. Arrive early and be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans. If approved, your passport will be returned with the visa stamp within a few days. Book your flights and confirm all travel documents are in order. Organize all documents in a travel folder for easy access. Arrive at the airport early for international check-in procedures. Present your passport and visa at check-in and security screening. Board your flight and prepare for your journey to America. Upon landing in the United States, proceed to immigration control. Present your passport and visa to the immigration officer. Collect your luggage and proceed through customs if required. Welcome to America. Your journey begins now. Always check the official U.S. Embassy website or travel.state.gov for the most up-to-date visa information. Safe travels to America. Subscribe for more global travel guides.